the channel. I hope you guys are having a great day. A little bit of an update for you guys. We got everything ready to go in the last video. We had like the compressor wired in, we had everything ready to go. I flicked it on and it ran. And then the other day we picked up a regulator and just a couple fittings for the water trap. And we were literally about to start painting that day. And when we ran the compressor for maybe 30 seconds, and after 30 seconds it just shut off and we couldn't get power back to it. It was a whole thing. We spent a whole entire day trying to fix it. I have an electrician that's supposed to be coming today because what we've narrowed it down to, there's a problem with the wiring in the warehouse. All the other mods I have for Jenny have to wait obviously till it's painted, and then anything I have for the BRZ right now involves some sort of mess. Honestly, I just don't want to do anything with the paint booth in here because I don't want to like put any holes in it and I don't want to get it dirty inside. We're already set up for painting and there's no point in me like doing something just to do it and then regretting it. So obviously this isn't ideal, but while we are waiting for this thing to be fixed, I have something for us to do. So you guys know lately I have been using, ow! You guys know lately I've been using Courtney's car way too often as a truck. This thing is not a truck, this is Courtney's brand new car. Normally when I tell Courtney I'm gonna do something, if it's not good, like if I say, hey, I'm gonna go buy a car, and she's like, don't, then I shouldn't. But I keep saying, sorry, I'm gonna buy a truck, and she goes, I like trucks. We are at our first stop, and to be honest, very potentially our only stop. A day or two ago, I put a post on the members tab and I was like, what do you guys think for trucks? Because I was like, my preference is Chevy, Ford, and then Ram. You guys hit me back in the exact same order that I like them in. Like we got 62% for Chevy and GMC, and then we got 22 Ford, 16 Ram. I'm sorry for all the Titan guys and Toyota guys. There's also a large amount of self-control that has to come in right now because like my dream truck would be like 2500 HD. It would be right there. Like it is right there. That's actually 3500, but doesn't matter. God, you can't tell me that's just not the most beautiful thing. If I had to get a Chevy, it'd be this one. If I had to get a GMC, it would literally be that one. 2500 would be nice, but realistically, if a 1500 can tow like 10,000 pounds, all I need is a car trailer and like Home Depot runs and stuff. We're not here yet. It doesn't feel fast like a car does. It doesn't feel fast like a car does. That's the thing with trucks. Trucks, you gotta have a lot of power to make a truck feel fast, so you're so high off the ground. This is a 2020 Sierra SLE. They have like a 2.7 or something now, but for towing purposes, I wanna have something that can tow a little bit more, so we gotta get one with the V8. I was just telling him what I needed, what I wanted, and like what I was into, and he kind of steered me in this direction first. I'm very familiar with these trucks. I didn't want to tell any of the sales guys that. Sales guys never take me seriously. I'm walking around with the camera, I look young. They think I'm just here around. This one's a little chromy for my taste though. I don't know. It's a nice truck though.
I don't love the color.
I like the color.
You do?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think the color's very nice. You could black out all these weird chrome accents very easily. And I'm sure even if we wanted to, we could get someone to color correct this front end. 2020, eh? Like what am I doing in this truck?
Con, huge con with the truck. Nowhere
I can't put my camera in this truck. I don't think we can buy it. All right, we got truck 2. So quiet.
Does it have CarPlay?
All these new trucks are so quiet. Alright, so this one's a little bit of a different story. I took out a used one because I'm trying to get a really good deal on something that does what I need it to do and is a truck. And you guys know that. And so we have this one, the front end has been painted, but with like really spray paint. But for the price, it might be something I can repair. It looks a little bit weird. It's just like really flat spray paint. Yo, this might actually be Plasti Dip. I have no idea. It's not very nice. I can see what he was going for. He wanted like the blacked out front end, but I just feel like there's better ways to do it. The rest of the truck is nice. Like this is actually, I really like this color. The clouds are coming in right now, so it's kind of hard to see. It's like a nice brown. It's got some weird, I think they're just stock wheels painted black. Courtney likes the steps. It already has a tonneau cover on it, which is nice. And I do like these. Like this is a nice body style. I do like this truck. It's just, we just got to do something about making this front end look a little better if I end up going with this, because it just doesn't fly with me. What the heck, dude? Like, just learn how to open your door. You don't need this. So, pro to this truck, my camera sits on the dash. That's nice. Price on the new one is just a lot. I really don't need it to do a whole lot. I just need it to be reliable and tow. I could cough up a new one, but is it worth it? Also, there's an R32 up here. It's a GTR. It's nice. He did a fat pull on me when I was in the BRZ the other day. All right, we are done at the GM dealer for now. The way that Chevy's packaging their trucks now, is that they come with these 4 cylinders. So like Ford does the EcoBoost and Chevy's doing like a 4-cylinder turbo thing now. And for me to get a truck that can tow, they can't even see me right now. For me to get a truck that can tow, I need a 5.3. And to get a 5.3 right now, apparently because coronavirus, all these plants are shut down and they're like really short on trucks. They have like no inventory. So we're gonna see what's bumping over here. So I actually know quite a bit about these Ford trucks. I actually like them. Pretty close second to the GMs. I sold these things for probably 2 years before we moved to BC. They come with an EcoBoost. I'm trying to get the wind away. I know that they come with an EcoBoost. Oh my God. I know that they come with the EcoBoost as a more like entry level, but I know that the EcoBoost can tow more than what this 4-cylinder at Chevy can tow, I think. I'm just trying to find a good deal that doesn't completely waste all my money, because this truck is more of like a get things done truck than like a mod it on the channel type truck. Like at anything, this is what I would do to my truck. I'd do like a nice little lift, some wheels, just clean little things like maybe the flares. I guess that's a good thing to say too, because I haven't really said it yet. If we buy a truck, or when we buy a truck, it will not be to replace any cars, to modify on the channel. It will just be to get jobs done. The cab is too short on this. This is a Lariat. This one's older. I would literally kill for this truck. I don't know how I feel about these new Rangers either. What do you guys think? They look like they didn't get redesigned for like the North American market. They just kind of threw them at us and was like, here's a Ranger, guys. Enjoy it. That is how this is going. It's crazy how much different dealerships are treating this stuff differently. Like we're in the same plaza and the GM dealer let us drive whatever the hell we wanted. They didn't care. Ford dealership's not even open. Realistically, this is it. But you've never been in one, and I can't even show you inside of it because we didn't call and make an appointment.
It doesn't have my steps.
No, but it has a step right here.
That's lame.
The whole tailgate comes apart and there's a stair in there. Here, I can actually do it when it's closed. There you go. It doesn't really work, but there's a stair in there. These are ugly. This is kind of like a huge buzzkill. I understand why they're doing it. Like 100%, they don't want people in and out. They don't want people in the cars. They don't want like I test drive a car and I cough all over it, and then you test drive a car and you get sick. It makes sense.
Oh, I didn't even think about that with the other cars.
That's why we sanitize our hands when we got out of it. And I had an electrician that was supposed to be coming this afternoon and he bailed. So now we're at 11 a.m. tomorrow to get this thing done. This whole painting the Genesis thing, it just, as soon as we started, nothing's been going my way and I just don't understand why. So I'm gonna end this vlog today. I actually wanna know what you guys think about these trucks, because obviously I have my own opinions and I express them with you, but I wanna know, A, what kind of trucks you guys like most. Like I'm gonna leave actually a bunch of polls right here or there for you guys to do. I wanna know like if you guys prefer the Chevy, Ford, or Ram. I know that most of the members and everybody said Chevys, but I wanna know like what all of you guys think. And I also wanna know if you guys think I should be getting something new or if I should just send it with something old that just tows. Because at the end of the day, like I was saying, it's not gonna be my daily and I don't need it to be new. It would be nice. I really wanted to today because that first guy wasn't taking it serious at all. Like he was just like, thought I was a joke. And I really wanted to just buy the truck just to be like, you suck, you know? But I didn't, and I held out. Maybe the truck that I put on my vision board is the truck we need. It's right there. This guy's driving one. That's a Duramax. Maybe that's the option. Maybe that's option 2. Anyways, let me know what you guys think. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I used to do more vloggy type stuff a long time ago. I didn't get a lot of good feedback from it at first when the channel was small and nobody really cared, or like I just didn't make it exciting. I don't know. But let me know what you guys thought of today's video. Let me know what you guys think about the truck. I'll catch you guys later. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please vote. If you're still here and you haven't voted, just vote. I do genuinely want your guys' opinion. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace out and stay committed.